Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the landmark judgment of Lalita Kumari versus the state of UP. Now, what was the issue in this case? The issue in this case was whether a police officer is bound to register an FIR upon receiving any information relating to the commission of a cognizable offence under section 154 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, or the police officer has the power to conduct a preliminary inquiry in order to test the veracity of such information before registering the same. Now, when the judgment came, the following guidelines were given by the Supreme Court of India, that it is mandatory to register an FIR under section 154 of the Indian Penal Code of the Code of Criminal Procedure if the information discloses the commission of a cognizable offence, and no preliminary inquiry is permissible in such a situation. If the information does not disclose a cognizable offence but indicates the necessity for an inquiry, a preliminary inquiry may be conducted to ascertain whether information reveals any cognizable offence. The next observation or the direction by the Supreme Court was, if the inquiry discloses a cognizable offence, the FIR must be registered. If not, a copy of the entry of closure must be supplied to the first informant forthwith and not later than 1 week. The next direction of the Supreme Court in this case was, cases in which preliminary inquiry may be made before the registration of FIR. The first was matrimonial disputes or family disputes, commercial offences, medical negligence cases, corruption cases, cases where there is an abnormal delay in initiating criminal proceedings. These are only illustrative and not exhaustive. The next direction in this judgment was, the completion of preliminary inquiry must not exceed 7 days, and all the information related to the same shall be recorded in the general diary maintained in the police station.